Welcome back to another video of Barbecue with Barry, and today we are doing hot dog burn-ins. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Barbecue with Barry. Today we are going to be doing some hot dog burn-ins. Football season is right around the corner. These are a great snack to bring to any football party, watch party, get together, whatever it is. These are a great snack. You can throw on the table, have some toothpicks in them. Anybody can come up and just grab one. Great snack. Me and my family really love these, especially on a weekend or something like that. Burn-ins originally came from a barbecue restaurant in Kansas City, and they come from a beef brisket, specifically the point side of the brisket, which is the fattier side. From there, people started doing pork belly burn-ins, which are, cubed up pork belly, thrown in a pan, cooked, thrown in a pan with some barbecue sauce, kind of braised, if you will, and served. And then people started doing hot dog burn-ins. Super easy to make. Only really a couple steps, some optional if you want to do them, but super easy to make and a really, really great snack for the weekend or anything like that. Now, I just picked up 24 all beef franks from Sam's Club. I'm not going to be cooking all these today just because I don't have that many people to feed, but kind of you can base this recipe around, how many people you have. You can do more, you can do less. It's really just the amount of space that you have and the time that you have. I'm going to probably be using about 10 of these today, and let's get started. All right, so I got 10 of our all beef hot dogs laid out here. I just got a pan and a wire rack. It just makes it easier when seasoning and cleaning up, that sort of thing. Only cooking 10 today, but we're going to start by scoring the top of these. I personally just like to do that. It allows the seasoning to get down into the hot dog a little bit better, and honestly, it looks pretty cool and appetizing when they're finished cooking. All right, now that we got all of our hot dogs scored, I only did one side. You could do both sides if you wanted to. I just like doing one side. We're gonna go ahead and rub them down with some mustard just to use as a binder. Now we're going to go ahead and throw some seasoning on here. I'm just using Meat Church Blanco. Use whatever seasoning you like. This is just really salt, pepper, garlic. We're going to be cooking these on our Recteq pellet smoker today, or pellet grill, whichever you prefer. And for the start of this cook, we're just going to go 350 for probably 30, 45 minutes. And then we will throw them in a pan with some barbecue sauce. All right, now that we got our hot dogs all seasoned up, let's go ahead and head outside, throw these babies on the grill. All right, our grill's been heated up to 350. Let's go ahead and put these on. Go ahead and shut the lid, come back and check them in about 30 minutes. All right, it has now been about 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take our hot dogs off. And I'll see you guys inside. All right, now that we just took our hot dogs off the grill, they were on there for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and slice them into, you can do thirds or fourths. I like doing fourths just because it's a smaller bite size. So let's go ahead, slice these up, and then we're gonna throw them in a aluminum pan with some butter, some brown sugar. I'm using Kinder's mild barbecue sauce and just a little bit of hot sauce just to add a little bit of kick to them. All right, now that we got all of our hot dogs in the pan, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a couple tabs of butter. And then a little bit of brown sugar. A little bit of Kinder's mild barbecue sauce. And then just a little bit of buffalo sauce to go on top. All right, now that we got our hot dogs cut into fours, we got some brown sugar, some butter, some buffalo wing hot sauce, and Kinder's mild barbecue sauce in there. We're gonna go ahead and cover this up with aluminum foil. Then we'll go back on the grill at 350 for anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. All right, so we're going back on the grill at 350 for another 30, 45 minutes. You can take it a little longer if you would like, but I have noticed that you can overcook them and they just aren't as enjoyable. All right, so I just took these off the grill. They were cooking for like another 45 minutes to an hour. We uncovered them. Let's go ahead, dive in and see how we did. Really, really, really good. Definitely elevates a normal hot dog. Really good dish to bring to a party. Easy for people to eat on. Honestly, I mean, you can't beat that for just a couple hot dogs, some barbecue sauce, a grill, and a pan. Really, really, really good. Let's do a little recap of what we did here today. So we took our hot dogs out of the package. We used 10 in this case, scored the top of them, rubbed some mustard on them, threw some Meat Church Blanco seasoning on top, threw them on the grill at 350 for 30 minutes, took them off, cut them into fourths or thirds, depending on how you like, threw them in this pan with some butter, brown sugar, barbecue sauce, and a little bit of hot sauce, threw them back on the grill at 350 for like 45 minutes, took them off, let them rest a little bit, and dug in and enjoyed. Thanks everybody for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.